Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome to Siempre DIY. My name is Maria. Okay, so Valentine is just around the corner and I wanted to make some chocolate candy. This actually I made it last year, and the candies I made them from Model Magic clay and fabric paint. This year I wanted to make something similar, just a little different. So my box, I want to make it out of foam clay. Here I have a heart-shaped cookie cutter and I purchased it from Hobby Lobby. Now I am going to be mixing some white and brown foam clay. Once I get my clay all mixed up, I am going to be making, I'm going to be needing two brown shaped hearts, and I'm also going to be needing two red shaped hearts and as well an additional white shaped hearts. Once I have all of these rolled out, then we'll chat again. And with all of that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, so now the white heart is going to mimic the inside of the box. So I wanted to also give my heart a cute little design going around the edge. So I used a pair of scissors that have these little designs. I really don't remember the name of them, but here's the first one. I did not like how it looks, so I used a different pair. And once I cut my design out, I am going to go ahead and lay it on top and then go in with my baker's tool and just clean around the edges. Because the heart is thick, it's going to take some more time for it to dry, so I'm just going to place it to the side. Normally I like to use glue, but this time I didn't feel like it, so I just want to just let it dry. And then the chocolates are going to be soft enough so I can just place them on top. I don't have to worry again about using the glue. Okay, so now I am working on my bowl that's going to go on top of the second heart, and that's going to be the lid of the candy box. Okay, so while I am making the bowl, I would like to take this chance to welcome all of my new subscribers. If you guys are not the shy type, go ahead and introduce yourselves. I would love to know a little bit more about you. And yeah, thank you so much guys for subscribing to my channel, and now we are friends. So I hope to chat with you someday. And if you have any questions for me, go ahead and leave them in the description box down below. As well, not to worry, I am going to also be leaving all of the items that I use in this video in the description box as well down below. Okay, so now I'm going to be working on the chocolate candies. Now, these I'm also going to be using foam clay. Tried to make one darker because I don't know if you guys have noticed, but um, the color brown in many of the foam clays are not as dark as I wish they were. They almost they look like the color gingerbread or burnt, but even the burnt color is not as dark as I wish it would be. So here I had to mix a little bit of terracotta to get a different color, to try to get it actually a little bit darker. So now that I have my candies, I'm actually using a block, and it's good to have something flat if you do not have one of these clear blocks. That's so you will not leave any handprints or what have you. Now that I have my clays, I'm actually going to let them dry a little bit because I don't want to, like I said, put any marks or there on them or anything like that. I'm gonna be using as well fabric paint, and then once I have all of them, I'm just gonna go ahead and start positioning them on my heart, and then I should be all done. All right, and here it is. What do y'all think? I absolutely love it. I love how it all came out. So if you guys want to give it a try, go ahead and let me know. And if you do, please send me a picture. I would love to share with everyone else on my community page. So until the next time, my friends, stay safe, be kind. Bye.